Hello everyone, the StarV Ring2 is a highly convenient smart ring, and today I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to use it. To start, you'll need to connect the Ring2 to your mobile phone. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Download the Meizu app. If you are connecting a new ring for the first time, place the Ring2 in its charging case and connect the data cable to activate the device. When the indicator light on the ring stays on steadily, activation is complete and the device is ready for pairing. In the app, tap Bind Device, select StarV Ring2, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the ring with your phone. Once connected, the Ring2 enables a range of convenient interactions with your mobile phone. If you are also purchased the StarV Air 2 smart glasses, you can even use the Ring2 to control them via the app. To unpair the ring, you can go to Ring Management in the app and select Unbind Device. Alternatively, after removing the ring from the charging case, press and hold the StarV logo on the ring for 10 seconds. A blinking red light will indicate that the unpairing process has been successfully completed. Once paired, the Ring2 allows you to scroll through videos, switch songs, take photos, and more. In daily use, there's no need to worry about frequently taking the ring off. The Ring2 is made with ceramic materials and offers IP68 level waterproofing, making it durable enough for all weather use. Now that you know how to use the StarV Ring2, go ahead and start experiencing a new, healthier lifestyle.